And then there are a lot of tools that have been published for imputing values to all these zeros. So we have a lot of these stochastic zeros. And I think the idea to then estimate the expression per cell for these stochastic zero is kind of tempting. However, there has been quite a few papers now showing that imputation can introduce false correlations, but it doesn't affect differential expression that much. And here is an example where you can see basically without any imputation, some of these give really weird results. But especially if you look at these heat maps at the bottom, if this is what you had in the beginning, you have some cells still probably in the same group here, but that has low correlation. You can force it to look super correlated because you borrow information from the neighboring cells. And my feeling is that if you do the wrong assumptions when you borrow information and you borrow from the wrong cells, or you can easily force your data to look super clean like this. Because quite often if you do imputation, you get a much nicer UMAP where it's super clear separation of your data. And you get a much nicer clustering. Everything looks so good. So it's very tempting to think that now this is so much better, so I'll do imputation. But you have to be aware that you did imputations and what problems that might cause. So I would be very careful about doing imputations, basically. But there's still some people that do.